Hi, I'm Brad Kittinger, and I'm the BMW genius here at BMW of Milwaukee North in Glendale, Wisconsin. And today, we're going to be talking about comfort access. Not only talking about comfort access and how to use it, but how to also troubleshoot it. So behind me, I actually have the 2018 540. We're going to use this as a demonstrator vehicle. So come with me and let's get started. So on BMWs with comfort access, your car is not only keyless, even though you have a key right in your hand that's got the unlock and lock symbol on it, you never even have to pull it out, whether it's in your pocket, your purse, your briefcase. It just makes life so much simpler. So as long as you have the key with you, you walk up to the car to lock it. On every one of the doors on this 5 Series, there are a little set of ridges. When you touch those ridges, it locks the car. You're leaving work, you're coming back from shopping, coming back from whatever, and you need to unlock the car, doesn't matter what door you grab, as long as you put your hand through there, as you hear, it just unlocked. Makes life so much simpler. You're not fumbling trying to get your keys or anything like that. But now if you run into an issue and every time you're grabbing the door, you notice it's locking and unlocking at the same time, the easiest thing, and what I tell my customers, is move your hand down a little bit from those ridges, because it's picking up your hand not only on the ridges, but it also thinks you're trying to unlock it, so it's confusing itself. So nice and easy way, just put your hand right in, everything opens right up. So as we're talking about comfort access, one of the nice things that comes with comfort access, and one of my favorite features on the whole vehicle, is what's called kick to open. And kick to open is, as long as you have the keys on you, you can actually use your foot to open up the trunk. Just like this. You take your foot and you give it a real quick kick, back and forth, and boom, everything is opening up for you. Very nice and simple. And it actually, if you do have a power trunk, you can actually do the exact same thing, and now the trunk's going to close for you. So if your hands are full, it's just becoming more convenient for you. As you can see, BMW offers a lot of nice features that just make life convenient and simple. If you ever have any problems using these, you're always welcome to stop in at the BMW dealership near you and talk to one of the geniuses there. Have a great day.